Hello, YouTube. Today is March 21st. Guess what I got in the mail? All right, so I placed an order March 17th for the 1/10 ounce gold 2022 gold American Eagle proof. I forgot what channel I was watching, but everyone was ordering live. I know Coin Crew was on there. Son of a Silver Stacker, I think, was hosting, and a couple other guys. Anyways, that was not too long ago. It was March 17th, and here we are. What is this? 2 business days later, if Saturday counts, and looks like I got it. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys to check out. Okay, so this is how the package comes from the Mint, and it's kind of generic. You wouldn't really think what the heck's in there. It was very common how the Mint ships. I paid $330 for the item, and it was $495 for shipping because I haven't ordered anything this year. And I think once you order over a certain amount, you get free shipping. But this is my first order for this year, so I didn't get any free shipping. Anyways, checkout was super easy. I know other people had issues, but I was able to get out pretty darn fast. Wow, that is some fresh glue. Ooh. So anyways, it's 70 degrees today, and I've never had anything stick this much. All right, anyways. Oh, look at that glue. All right, so anyways, this is what happens. So you get it from the Mint, open it up. That's how it comes. Fresh. I kind of use nice bubble wrap. They definitely use the cheapest packaging ever. If you guys have ordered, actually, there's some improvements. That actually looks pretty cool. So last year was like super generic. This is pretty neat. So they're like, all right, we're still going to give you the cheapo box, but at least they put a nice sleeve on it this year. So that's pretty neat. Is it a great, improvement over the old felt clamshell holders? Absolutely not, but wow, that's pretty cool. I might send that in to get graded. That's pretty nice. Anyways, all right, I gotta stop looking at that. Here's the actual item. So it comes in the box like this. And I'm not wearing any gloves because it should be in the capsule. Oh, there it is. There it is. That thing's sweet. It's pretty awesome. I haven't checked, but I was a little disappointed because what do they make of these? Well, it doesn't say. I believe it was 14,000 or maybe 10,000 of these. Yeah, I think they made 10,000 of these, and there was still some available the very next day. So I felt like I hurried up and rushed and ordered. The day was open for no apparent reason, but there it is. And that is gorgeous. So I was going to use this as buying power to take to my local LCS. I really, really, really enjoy collecting Morgans. So I felt to do my LCS a favor and just bring this in. And hopefully they would pay me what I paid for it, and I would just use it as buying power, but also to strengthen my relationship with my local LCS. Instead of just bringing them cash, be like, hey, this is something you guys probably want because a new buyer is going to need it, and go from there. And let me take the back of it here so you can take a peek. Very cool. So nothing like the proofs to kind of make these things stand out for sure. And here's the obverse. See if I can zoom in a little bit. And again, this is only the 1/10, so very tiny, but I'm just filming this off my cell phone. No fancy cameras here, guys. But that's the capsule it comes in. You can see that there's, it's reeded. And there's the reverse. So anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Figure I'd be the first one to get this out. There's probably already like a bunch of videos out with this thing, but thanks US Mint for getting this over super fast. Again, ordered on the 17th. Today's the 21st. Received it in my mailbox. Super cool. So anyways, please like, share, and subscribe. And I appreciate everyone watching this video. Have a good one.